Hey, Squiddy. Hey, Squiddy, run the city. Suba Squid. Number 6, old Super Ducks trying to wave aloha your way. Oh, key up this station. Squiddy, Suba Ducks saying aloha. Quack, quack.
Hey, Doug, man, I appreciate it, man. On a drag, this boat bill straight across the deep blue water to say get a right back, man. Hey, Super Doug, on a 60, get this stuff like a raggedy boat bill straight across the deep blue water. So you're smuggling around beautiful down under. Hello, Mr. Super Doug, Squiddy, right back.
Hey, Squiddy. Damn, Camiga, it's been a little while, but that goddamn car big and brand new mobile, look at some kind of top choice in my receiving end there. Go ahead.
Hey, no. It's still be a while before I put my setup back out at this good house there, man, but no doubt about it, man. I'll come out there to see if I can cut some radios over the mobile, you know the deal. It ain't nothing special. Hey, Super Dog, I appreciate you getting back, man. I can't hang around too long. You know the rest. Super Dog, Squiddy, right by.
Alright, Squiddy. Hey, Squiddy, I got the gate rolling, Camiga. You look at some kind of top choice in my receiving end. I'll put it up a little bit later around the evening time. Suba Squid, Suba Duck say quack, quack.
Well, look how quick I got it back, man. You know the deal there, man. I'll see if I can give a 9 cool time to time, man. But don't you worry about it. I'll make sure I keep this up like a team rule. Mr. Worldwide Super Dog. Your world class Squiddy in the city is gone now, too. Bye-bye.
Bye, Squiddy. Squiddy in the city. Squiddy in the city. Squiddy. Aloha. Suba Duck God.
Hey, you just come up my radio, Doc. Hey, Doc, you just come up my radio. Damn. Hey, Super Dog, you want me to call them all out? Hey, Hot Dog, where you go? Hot Dog, Super Squid looking, bro.
The hot dog Super Duck did wave the smooth 5, and I've got a bun with ketchup and mustard. Squiddy, aloha. Super Duck's back in the mill.
Well, you know the deal there, Super Dog. I was trying to bring him out so you got someone to play with. Hey, Super Dog, there's no use you and I having a keys on Channel 11 when I want to fight. Hello, Mr. Worldwide Dog. Squiddy's my deal, right, bye.
That is the Roger out there, Squiddy. While that mobile is showing up, that mobile is showing up in fine style in my receiving end. Squiddy, aloha, good direction your way.
Hey, Super Dog, you got some company there, man. You got my good friend One Shot out there in Maui. You want to pop in time to time. Hello, Mr. Worldwide One Shot. Watch your back, Super Dog, Squiddy in the city. Wait a minute.
Aloha, brother. Hey, tell One Shot I did wave the aloha. Clack, clack.
Well, I was supposed to run the move there, man. Hey, Super Dog, you wanted me to tell One Shot to pump it up. Hey, One Shot, you better pump it up. Super Dog said hello, upstairs above.
Hey, bonehead. I didn't say to tell him to pump it up. I said to tell him I waved a smooth 5. Look, bonehead. Hey, Squiddy. Don't start that crap, man. Squiddy in the city. Suba Duck said to tell brother I waved a smooth 5. I ain't out here for no standing still drag race, Squiddy. You should know me by now. Suba Duck's back in the mill. Quack, quack. Hey, One Shot. Aloha, brother. I just said to wave the smooth 5 your way, Camiga. One Shot. Suba Duck waving aloha. Quack, quack.
One Shot. The big bad Squid mobile. Get that.
Hey, Squiddy. Why you gonna make me like I'm calling him out and shit, man? Hey, Squiddy. I asked you to wave the one smooth 5 out there around One Shot. And you said that I called him out. Damn, bro, what's up with that?
Yeah, well, Super Dog did put the smooth follow in there One Shot, but that time he put some sticky glue on his lips. Hey, One Shot, you don't talk about sticky glue stuck on Doc's lips. Man, you gotta have it down here. Hello, Mr. Worldwide One Shot, Squiddy, what up?
Alright, Squiddy, take care, Camiga. I didn't call that Campiga out, you did. Squiddy, Suba Duck say quack, quack.
Well, One Shot there, man.
Hey, one shot. Hey, one shot, man. Squiddy got it wrong. I did say to wave the smooth 5. I didn't say to say, you know what I'm saying, man. Damn, these combing and mud ducks nowadays. They want to get it all lit up. See a whole lot of commotion out here on the Pacific Ocean, dumbasses. Alright, bro. Hey, one shot. Aloha. Suba Ducks back in the mill.
We'll call the horse, man. I'll tell that mud, hurry up.